What cases are heard in US district courts versus state courts? Imagine a courtroom where the scope of justice varies depending on the nature of the case and where it is filed. Understanding which court handles which type of case can clarify many legal processes. The United States has a complex judicial system with multiple layers, each designed to address specific legal matters. United States district courts serve as the trial courts at the federal level. These courts are responsible for hearing cases that involve federal laws, disputes between parties from different states, or cases that involve the United States government as a party. For example, if someone files a lawsuit claiming that a federal law has been violated or that their constitutional rights have been infringed upon, the case would typically be heard in a United States district court. These courts also handle cases involving federal crimes such as drug trafficking, terrorism, or interstate fraud. They have jurisdiction over civil cases where the amount in controversy exceeds a certain threshold, often set at $100,000, and where federal statutes or constitutional issues are involved. State courts, on the other hand, are courts of general jurisdiction within each individual state. They handle a broad spectrum of cases that primarily involve state laws. These courts are the primary venues for most criminal cases, such as theft, assault, or murder, that violate state statutes. They also hear civil cases involving family law matters like divorce, child custody, and adoption, as well as disputes over property, contracts, and personal injury claims. State courts are also responsible for probate cases, which involve the administration of estates, wills, and guardianships. The distinction between the two court systems is rooted in the division of powers established by the United States Constitution. Federal courts focus on issues that pertain to federal law or cross-state boundaries, while state courts handle the vast majority of legal matters that are governed by state law. This division helps ensure that cases are heard in the most appropriate forum, based on the nature of the dispute and the laws involved. In summary, United States district courts primarily hear cases involving federal laws, constitutional issues, and disputes between parties from different states. State courts handle most criminal cases, family law matters, property disputes, and other issues governed by state law. This division allows for a specialized and organized approach to justice across the country.